guys, welcome back to Money Hacks. It's me, your boy, Bob Jacobs, and today we're going to talk about 5 easy ways to make quick cash. Number 1, hitting a lick.
Very much. Please don't shoot.
Let me ask you something. You got that bag from Temu?
Yeah, I actually did. I got it for $2.
What else you got in there?
Why are you doing this?
I'm just trying to hit a lick. I'm just trying to hit a lick.
I got money.
This money's from Temu. Son. Can't ever hit no lick.
You got to be careful with this way. It doesn't always work out, but when it does, it's a pretty good way to go. Number 2, selling drugs.
Allie, dog? It's me. Okay. You, got drugs? Got lean, Wilder, tea bags, dime bag. I'll take the tea bags. Fine. Gonna have to move spots later.
Selling drugs, always a safe way to go, but it can get a little dangerous, so just be careful. Number 3, donate your body parts.
Alright. Thanks.
We don't exactly recommend selling your body parts, but it is a way to make quick cash, I guess. So, of course, we're going to include it in the video. Number 4, borrowing money from a friend.
This one goes out to the dead homies. What's up, Toby? What's up, Obi? What's up, man? How you doing? Just chilling, man. You know, pouring on up for the dead homies. You got a lighter? Oh, yeah. You don't got no lighter, man. Give me that back, man. You ain't got no lighter, man. God damn, man, this is why I don't share nothing with you, man. What you come over here bugging me for anyway, messing up my cigarettes? Hey, man. What's up? Got any money? What you talking about? Some cash. I need some. You need some money, huh? Alright. This can go 2 ways. I can give you some money, or you can play me for it. Okay, ready? Sell. God damn, man. Alright, I can give you some money. There you go. You be safe out there, man.
Yes, sir. Hey. It's gonna do a lot.
Take care.
What would we do without our homies, huh? And number 5, get a job.
Going to work, Mom. Just had to get a job now. How many? Okay. You have to follow me.
Guaranteed check every week, or sometimes every other week, depending on where you work. And that was 5 easy ways to make quick cash. Hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
This guy's spitting.